Hi everybody, welcome back to Happy Apple Core Homestead. Today I have some really exciting news to share with you. Memberships are now open on our channel, so please click the join button, check out our 3 levels of membership, help to support this channel, help to get the word out of what we are teaching. Also, you'll get some really cool perks, and on the 3rd tier is something really special, which is my personal recipes for medicinal types of things, right? So I will not just give you the basic ingredients, but I will also give you the specific measurements on exactly how I make my salves, hair serums, face serums, anti-aging serums, all those kinds of things. And also, don't forget to check out my Etsy channel link in the bottom, where if you don't really want to make these things, you can just go ahead and buy a batch for yourself. Now, that's mostly what I wanted to tell you today, but I also wanted to remind you that even though memberships are available now and you're welcome to sign up for them, for which I would be very appreciative, I will continue to teach completely for free. This channel is not going to turn into one of those hokey channels where I spend literally like half of my video trying to drum up money. Okay, that's not going to happen, but I did at least have to do one video to let you guys know that memberships are available. If I bring it up in the future, it'll just be a quick, don't forget to sign up for a membership if you're interested. And you're not going to hear me doing, big long ads for other companies. I will, as I've always said, I will continue to respond to comments. I will continue to teach for free. This is my passion and it's what I've always believed in, but I'm also super excited about the memberships. It allows me to continue to do this work, and it also gets the information out to more people. So the more engagement in this channel, the more people get to view it, right? So we have to hit those algorithms just right, and I need you to do that, which means commenting, liking, subscribing, sharing with your friends, and subscribing to memberships if you feel so inclined. Now, lastly, if there's anything in the membership categories that you would like me to change, like something you would really love to see or an additional benefit you would like from me, please let me know. Let me know down in the comment section, because I'm happy to do what you want to do. After all, this is our community. And I don't want you to be paying for a service that you're not super excited about. So let me know what would make you excited to sign up for a membership on our channel. And I have tons more videos coming out. We're going to talk about herbs. We're going to talk about more gardening tips and tricks. I will even have some more videos of the doggos for you. So please stay tuned, stay subscribed, and I will be seeing you again soon. Bye!